Stop scrolling, because this is not just another earbud. This is the Boat AirDops Ultra Pro 2025 launch, designed in a bold gunmetal black. Ultra Pro doesn't just look premium, it feels powerful. Imagine charging once and listening for days, with an unbelievable 100 hours of total playback. Your music, calls, and binge sessions never stop. Running late, no worries. Fast charge gives you hours of playback in just minutes. Feel sound all around you with spatial audio. Every beat deeper, every note clearer, every moment immersive. With Quad Mic Inc.'s trademark technology, your voice stays crystal clear, even in traffic, wind, or noisy cafes. Thanks to dual pairing, switch between devices effortlessly. Plus, full control with Boat app support. Customize sound your way. Powered by Bluetooth V5. 3. Experience ultra-stable, low-latency connection. Perfect for gaming, streaming, and work. Power, performance, premium sound. Upgrade your audio game with Boat AirDops Ultra Pro. Hear the future.
Forget about your boyfriend y vente para